then she ain't want me.
Wow,
We was sleeping in the mud, I told my mama it's away. Back then she ain't want me, but now she give me play.
We're back. How y'all doing? It's been a while. I haven't dropped no vlog since ATL, but right now we are going to look at a new apartment.
How you doing, John?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey,
I'm
how are you?
Imsodigital.
Nice to meet you. Building is the only unit that we have left. I think I spoke to you earlier.
Do you mind being on camera?
Not really, no. We had most of the earlier studios that were smaller. We didn't have them, but so we have this one's $9.95.
Yes.
It includes your water. Pets are okay. 10 pounds or under for a dog. The cats are okay. We also have free washer, dryer in the basement, and water's included as well.
Okay.
So we have, obviously your trash you can bring outside here. Put a basketball net out. You're more than welcome to have like any
nice.
type of like patio tables or anything like that. Mailboxes are right there. But I would like to probably, if I was trying to get this unit, I would probably try to take as many places, this little area as possible.
Like
Put your own
trees.
bench, put some flower planters or
Yeah.
something. Generally, what I found is like when you get somebody like the person up here, that's like completely private, but this is still pretty private, and you got your own separate entrance too.
Yeah.
Everything was done top to bottom, so this place was completely gutted.
Well, yeah, it's a nice stand-up shower.
Yeah.
I like it.
Cable, internet ready. And then we can go on the other side. I could show you where like the washer dryer room. So it's 2 washers, 2 dryers. It's for 10 units, should be fine. Like I said, that's included too. Everything's individually controlled too. So remote for that. That's your heat and AC.
Okay.
So more so, the bed will be just going here.
Yeah, because it's there. We still have all this to work with.
Or, the bed go here.
You can move it that way.
Yeah.
And you still have your desk with your laptop and computer.
Right.
This is a perfect size.
Oh, cool.
So,
Maybe we'll use you sometime. We're actually going to a record release party tomorrow for, who is it, Chris Evans, R&B artist. It's a friend of mine actually does my marketing. Probably the ad you answered. He does, he's an audio engineer actually.
Oh, see, look.
He just does it a part-time marketing for me or whatever. There's like a lot of New York artists that are on her album. She's pretty good.
Yeah, I heard of Chris Evans. I like this look a lot. Yeah, this is what I wanted to go
It's tough
for.
to fit as much. This place was like, normally we'll make the units bigger, but this place was a rooming house already.
Oh, okay.
So just like the way the neighborhood was compared
And
to
then you had
now.
to just work with what you had.
The owners of this actually have that bar under contract as well. So eventually we're gonna renovate that. We're gonna keep it kind of the same, like kind of like a dive, but just like put food in there. The same owners of this place own 2 restaurants in the neighborhood too. So they're gonna redo that.
So everyone's around. It's like more like family.
Yeah,
So
so it's actually investors from different areas of the country came here. Philadelphia started moving for the last 5 years or so. So especially a lot of New York and San Francisco is where the people are that own this one.
A homeowner rental space, and it was just a hassle. Like it was just more like he wanted the money before anything, and it was just like.
No, we'll have you apply for it, and then once we say yes, you're approved, then we'll ask for the money. That's
All right.
how it-
Yeah, that's the thing.
Some people want to check ahead of time, but if you don't get approved, then we'll have to just refund it, and that's like just accounting and things like that. Doesn't make sense unless you gotta worry about if it's a private landlord, if they really need the money.
Yeah.
You gotta watch out if you want to make sure that your bills are paid as a renter.
That's why I was more focused on that. And right, guys, I'm gonna show y'all the appliances. Stainless steel is
And you
nice.
still got the really deep sink too.
But yeah, it's nice, real nice.
Not enough room for a dishwasher or anything, but with the cabinet space, it's enough for 2 people.
I like this. Oh, you have a dishwasher.
Email address.
All right.
A dishwasher, yeah. So say you got the deeper sinks. Little things like this, just look for. You see, it's got like a little wider. Go through, check all the shower pressure. Everything's good, solid here though.
So
I said all the plumbing is new here. All the electricity, all the wires coming through.
Yeah.
They took it down to the studs here.
So we get approved. You gotta get some nice art.
Yeah.
Some nice art. It gotta be some nice art. It gotta be dope colors in here. That's the only way it's gonna make this nice. A lot of colors. And plants. I was about to say that. See, a lot of colors and plants. So we just checked out the place. I like it.
I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
That's great. So, all right. So we make this happen before November, before December, hopefully, you know. But we're gonna make it happen because what I like, I get, and I gotta get it. And I put all my time and effort into it. So that's what's happening. Now we about to go see the wash and dry in the basement because this is where we're gonna be taking our clothes. I don't know.
That shit does not look up. That shit don't look stable. That just gave me fucking fear, and I'm just looking at it.
You know, Amazon, you get any packages delivered, it's going to be secure here. You just have them leave it. There's going to be cameras out here too.
Yeah.
So
That's perfectly fine.
yeah, so you'll be good.
See, even better.
Yeah.
You can go first. You know what I'm saying? Go first. You know, ladies first.
Ooh, thanks.
Yeah, we're working on.
Oh, so the wash and dryer is down here. If y'all can see, the wash and dryer is down there.
This is right around the corner from the Quick Stop.
Oh, snap.
Okay.
So we on a journey to success.
Yes.
All right, come on. And
This is where all the other units are over here. And this is everything we got printed already. So you'll still have access over here.
Okay. Just for the washer.
Yeah, everything else is just. Yeah, just here. Oh, we still have one open. This is what the 750 unit was. So we rented it, but just show you how much smaller it was. I don't know if they would approve 2 people.
Told you.
oh
I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it. I called
So.
it. We were going back and forth about this. Wow.
yeah, this
Look at the counters up.
Yeah, so we did the best that we could, you know. We still got.
Oh wow.
Well, you know, now you can save for one person. And just
yeah, this
cover-
is-
For one person,
yeah,
perfect. But
this is just.
Really
Two
cool. It's
people?
gonna be it's like a lot of new people. It's like, I'm sure you meet everybody in the building or whatever. It's like more of that type than like.
this is the kind of
People have
space
been
I
around
can't
for
even
a
get
while.
mad at you because I'm gonna stay right in this corner. Stop talking to me.
You ever?
Outside vendor or anything, or trying to have.
So you guys are in charge to wash?
No.
Oh,
It's
also-
free wash.
oh,
Yeah. So.
that's
that's-
convenient.
Super convenient.
That's the best. That's the.
And they're commercial still too, so you can still put blankets and comforters, everything in here without worrying.
Wow, that's even better.
Yeah, they're big.
And they deep. You know what I'm saying? They nice and big. It's nice. It's good. It's
We don't
good.
have anyone to just come and like go get it. We don't have like an outside vending company.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, man, I'm getting this place. I'm gonna try. I'm not hesitating anymore. I know what I gotta do, and I gotta get some light. I know what I gotta do. I'm gonna go get it. Yeah, the other spot is way better. The other spot is way better.
Yeah, that works great. A lot of people, you know, we haven't shown this other one too much. But
Thank you.
I would love to try to get it to you.
All right, so now that we checked out the place, I want to talk to y'all. I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. I've just been really grinding. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I've been really grinding. I've been pushing to do a little bit more, and you know, my situation is getting a little bigger.
Yeah.
We're gonna say my situation is getting a little bigger. But so now I'm trying to grab my own spot. You know, I'm only 21. I'm a videographer. I really don't do too much. I'm really like, I just normally just travel. We gonna go this way? All right. So I just travel more than I actually stay home. So I know that I have a girlfriend. You know, I got a girlfriend now. You know, well, I've been had a girlfriend. I don't think y'all know, but I got a girlfriend now. So it's like I gotta move out of my sister's place. If you guys don't know, I live in the back shadow of her place, but that still don't amount to anything that's the future gonna hold. You know what I'm saying? I have walls that I haven't even painted at my sister's place because it keeps the reminder that I still have to build. And a lot of people don't understand that, but it's just something I keep to myself. And I remind myself like, yo, I gotta get to where I'm great and also stable. And the walls of my sister's house is not really painted. I can get them painted, trust me. I can go paint it myself, but that's not the message I'm looking for. I need something to spark me, give me energy, give me motivation. So I kept them that way. That's what I'm saying. Never doubt yourself. Because when you doubt yourself, you lose. Come on, let's go. When you doubt yourself, you lose. And you ain't gonna make it to the next step because you're so focused on not making it there. So just focus on making it there, and then you will get there. Ain't no time to be sitting here dwelling on other things and what's going on with the rest of the world. Focus on you. Do what you gotta do. So with that being said, I'm going to my man's kid house. I talked to his mom. I got a little bit of time on my hands, so now I get to go chill with him a little bit more. You know, that's my dog. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go chill with him. His mom was like, you know, I wanna see you. So I'm gonna go over there and we gonna all eat dinner with my girlfriend friends and with my friend. And you know, we all gonna, oh, this is lit. A pink pig. Let's kick it. That shit gonna blow up. That shit is gonna blow up. Somebody took their whole day to paint this. I'm gonna see you guys when I get to kid house, you know. Hopefully, he's doing good. Hopefully, he don't got this damn ponytail on his head like he had earlier, but see y'all when we get there. Alright.
We was sleeping in the mud, I told my mama it's the way. Back then she ain't want me, but now she give me play. Had to get back in my mood, in my lane, I'm chasing green. Had to sit down with my soul, turn my auntie to a fiend. We was sleeping in the mud, I told my mama it's the way. Back then she ain't want me, but now she give me play. Had to get back in my mood, in my lane, I'm chasing green. Had to sit down with my soul, turn my auntie to a fiend. Fellas, he chasing green, I'ma work until I'm done. They don't like my homie up, he know that he my mama's son.
What is up, Ono Gang? Or the digital family.
So, right, yeah.
This isn't EOS. What's up, bro?
Hopefully, I'll be moving to my own place. It's lit.
So you about to get your own crib?
Yeah, hopefully.
So
I got another one to look at though.
Okay.
All right, everybody, I got another one to look at. So, one down, one more to go. Hopefully. But I know the second one I'm going to will not look like the first one. The first one is like nice, like
The one you just seen just now around the corner?
Like this, it got that type of look.
Okay.
Nice appliances, you know, black and white finish, stainless steel, you know.
It have to be the new one down there.
Yeah, and it's small. It's small.
Really?
Yeah, it's no bigger than
You don't need bigger.
I don't need a big
It's
one.
only just two.
And it's like, oh, and they got washer. I'm saying washer and dryer.
Oh, you good? You don't gotta
free.
leave too.
In the
Like,
house?
in the house, in the basement, so you don't gotta leave out the house.
Right there.
Right there, everything's right there. You don't gotta go far. They got 2 dryers, 2 washers,
That's good.
free. So I gotta grind. So if y'all watching this, make sure y'all go watch the ads because you gotta make money, and it's real. Merch will be coming soon because, again, I gotta make money. So thank you. If you support me, you'll buy and click the ads. Thank you. How you doing?
I'm good, bro. I'm stressed out, guys. So, a lot of you guys don't know the digital family. You know what I'm saying?
My man just purchased a new camera with his hard working money. Go ahead.
I had a G7X before, a
Right.
Mark II before, and
You went to Florida.
I went to Florida. You know what I'm saying? I put the camera inside of a friend of mine's street bike, and I guess with the rattling around, it damaged the camera. So recently, Pops actually helped me purchase a new one.
That's lit.
So I got a G7X Mark II again. So I'm trying to get back on my grind. But on my last camera, I actually had CineStyle. If you guys don't know what CineStyle is, it's actually what digital shoots with.
Yeah,
I don't know if he shoots vlogs in that.
Yeah. I'm gonna share it right now.
That's CineStyle.
This
That's
is the plain Jane.
Yeah, it's like completely raw where you get
Yeah.
to choose the.
All right, now let's go back. Let's go back before we start talking.
Ready, set.
Wait.
1, 2.
All right, now we.
We lit. That was tough. I like that. I like how I look a little more crispy. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole idea. I'm trying to do that
I
with
like
my
my
camera.
color. You know, I like my color.
It's very vibrant. Like,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
nice.
So I'm trying to do that with my G7X again, and I don't know how I did it, man.
So you want to do it manually?
I know who might know.
Cool.
Fredo.
Fredo.
Because I gave it to him too.
Oh
I
yeah.
put Fredo on it.
So Fredo still might remember.
He might still have all the stuff.
Yeah.
It is a lot more difficult to achieve the cine style on the G7X, but it's definitely well worth it. Digital definitely showed me how to use cine style, and I think it's one of the best things I ever did. One of the best things he ever taught me.
Yeah, first was color grading and making your videos extra crispy.
He's probably at work, so.
And again, I'm just really excited. Like I'm really excited about today. I got a milestone out the way. Hopefully, I really get this place, man. The guy was nice. He was dope. You mean he understand? He's into music and stuff like that. So
Bathroom.
we got a stand-up shower. It's lit.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Also, it's very modern.
Yeah, modern.
Modern.
But yes, it's very close place. You know what I'm saying? It's a very close place, like gated community. Like
Oh, nice.
you can't just go in there.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah.
This is actually really good.
It's
It's like my house.
Yeah, so it's like it's gated, and it's gated to where you can't come in our place.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah. I just did this little quick update on today's vlog. I stopped past my man's kid crib to catch up with him and stuff like that. We've been chilling since the last vlog, you know.
Yeah, we hanging out.
Since the last vlog. So I wanna leave this vlog on a nice note. So again, just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. And
Bro, you know what's crazy? I just said it on my live, guys. Listen, somebody asked me, what was it they asked me? They asked me something. And I was like, listen, it doesn't, I inspired him to get on a four-wheeler. He's like, bro, you inspired me to get on a four-wheeler. As many times as you fell, you still made me want to get on one. Just like I told him, you're going to have so many falls. You know what I'm saying? No matter, even in life, you're going to fail so many times. But always remember to get up and keep pushing forward. You know what I'm saying? And you're very good at that, bro. I'm not saying that just because the camera's on, but you're very good at that. You good at, you know what I'm saying? You have a small little bump in the road that you always end up finding the flattest surface. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, it's crazy.
So it's really good.
I appreciate that, bro.
Go hard, go crazy. That's for everybody. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No matter how many times you fall, just get back up and keep moving forward.
Definitely. So again, believe in yourself. Man, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. It's your guy, Imsodigital. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog. Hopefully the next vlog will be the new apartment. So stay tuned. Gotta go.
Back then she ain't want me.
Wow, seductive.
We was sleeping in the mud, I told my mama it's away. Back then she ain't want me, but now she give me play. Had to get back in my mood, in my lane, I'm chasing greens. Had to sit down with my soul, turn my auntie to a fiend.